Change LLC address in Illinois. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to change LLC address in Illinois. So let's get started. To update the principal office address of LLC in Illinois, you need to file an Articles of Amendment using Form LLC-5.25 with the Illinois Secretary of State. Then step number 2, download Form LLC-5.25 from the Secretary of State's website. Fill in your LLC's legal name and your new principal office address. Then move to step number 3. Once the form is completed, submit it either online through the Secretary or State's filing portal or by mail to Department of Business Services Limited Liability Division, 501 South 2nd Street, Room 351, Springfield 62756, in person at the Springfield office. You can also pay the required $25 filing fee. You can pay by credit or debit card if filling online, or by check or money order if mailing the form. If you also need to update the address of your registered agent or registered office, file the separate form titled Statement of Change of Registered Agent or Registered Office. Make sure to update your address information with MyTax Illinois as well. Then log into your account at mytaxillinois.government website and update your business details. If your annual report deadline is coming up, you can include your new address directly on the annual report to avoid submitting a separate amendment form. That's the process for changing your LLC records in Illinois. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.